Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to install an app to the Stand-Up TV tablet. And first we'll start off by going to Settings, and then from Settings we can click Manage Tablet at the bottom. From here you'll need to reach out to the Stand-Up TV research team for them to provide you with a one-time use access code. From here you can click Add Apps at the bottom, and then you can see which apps you have installed and then which apps are then available to you. And to download, you'd click the app you'd like to install, and then from here you'll get routed to the Google Play Store, where you can click Install, wait for the installation, and then it should appear on the Google home screen.